Welcome to Learn Breastfeeding. Breastfeeding has a significant impact on both the mother and the baby, as well as broader societal and economic implications. Here are some key areas where breastfeeding has an impact. Impact on infant health. Nutritional benefits. Breast milk provides all the necessary nutrients for the first 6 months of life, including antibodies that help protect against infections. Reduced risk of diseases. Breastfeed babies have a lower risk of developing respiratory infections, ear infections, gastrointestinal issues, and chronic conditions like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and asthma. Cognitive development. Breastfeeding is linked to higher IQ scores and better cognitive development in children. Impact on maternal health. Postpartum recovery. Breastfeeding helps the uterus return to its pre-pregnancy size more quickly and reduces postpartum bleeding. Long-term health benefits. Breastfeeding lowers the mother's risk of breast and ovarian cancers, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Mental health. While breastfeeding can promote bonding and reduce the risk of postpartum depression, it can also be a source of stress for some mothers, particularly if they encounter challenges. Economic impact. Healthcare savings. Increased breastfeeding rates can lead to significant healthcare cost savings by reducing the incidence of illnesses in both mothers and babies. Workplace impact. Support for breastfeeding in the workplace can lead to lower absenteeism and higher productivity, as well as increased employee satisfaction and retention. Formula costs. Families can save money by breastfeeding instead of purchasing formula. Social impact. Breastfeeding norms. Societal support and normalization of breastfeeding can lead to higher breastfeeding rates, contributing to better public health outcomes. Public health. Widespread breastfeeding contributes to a healthier population, which can have long-term benefits for society as a whole. Gender equality. Support for breastfeeding can empower women by giving them more control over their reproductive health and enabling them to balance work and family life more effectively. Environmental impact. Sustainability. Breastfeeding is environmentally friendly, reducing the need for formula production, packaging, and waste. Reduced carbon footprint. Breastfeeding reduces the environmental impact associated with the production, transport, and disposal of formula products. Impact on family dynamics. Bonding. Breastfeeding fosters a strong emotional bond between mother and child, which can positively influence the child's emotional development. Family planning. Breastfeeding can act as a natural form of birth control during the first 6 months postpartum, influencing family planning decisions. Impact on public policy. Health initiatives. Governments and health organizations promote breastfeeding through public health campaigns, which can lead to increased breastfeeding rates and better health outcomes at a population level. Workplace policies. Supportive workplace policies, such as maternity leave and breastfeeding accommodations, can have a positive impact on breastfeeding duration and success. Psychological and emotional impact. Mother-infant bonding. The act of breastfeeding can strengthen the emotional connection between mother and baby, which is crucial for the baby's development. Emotional well-being. Successful breastfeeding can enhance a mother's confidence and emotional well-being, although challenges in breastfeeding can lead to frustration and stress. These impacts highlight the importance of breastfeeding as a practice that benefits not only the individuals directly involved but also society as a whole. Make sure to subscribe our channel Learn Breastfeeding.